for the coming year.
Okay. So, how do you plan to celebrate, sir? What's your plan? Any
Well,
plans?
andyan yung buong pamilya ko, yung buong angka namin andyan. So, we're gonna stay while we listen to the music. Inuman, pagkatapos, celebrate the New Year.
All right. So that means I can't hold you long. You gotta go there.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you for stopping by and giving a few words to our listeners. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year sa lahat. Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
ladies and gentlemen, that was the SBMA Chairman and Administrator Roberto B. Garcia. Okay. Alright. So maybe we can also get a few words from our Deputy Administrator for Tourism if we can sort of like, kidnap him for a while. Yeah. And also we would like to thank Royal Duty Free, of course. They're here, full support, huh? Okay, people from Royal Duty Free, sa inyo lahat. Magandang. Happy 2013. Alright. Okay, so we will now bring you back to regular programming. Magpe-perform pa ulit yung The Hitmakers, no, partner? Okay, so that's it for now. Partner, any parting shot?
Let's say goodbye to Dragon.
Ba't nag-goodbye ka na? Alis ka na ba?
And welcome Snake. Happy New Year, everyone.
Alright.
God bless.
Okay.
DJ Aris, Vibe Sessions.
Balik po tayo sa mga kaganapan dito sa Boardwalk, Subic Bay Freeport, ang Hitmakers. Kakanta pa.
Kami naman ang napuwera.
Oo nga,
At
mali.
iba pa.
Hindi maganda yan, pare. Hindi maganda.
Ano dapat?
Wala kadating-dating ang mga pinagsasabi niyong title.
Ano suggestion mo ang pangalan ng grupo natin?
Eto, maganda. Marco and the Pokpoks. Kayo yun.
Sabi ko na yun yung banda mo nung araw eh. Dinideny mo pa eh. Nire-revive mo lang eh.
Pero palagay ko, ito pare, itong pangalan ng bandang kakantahin natin, kilalang-kilala nila.
Oo naman.
Oo, tama,
Feel
tama.
good music. Ito, yung lahat yung mga kababata natin pare.